truck driver ken hi Indonesia lam chuak ni in an ram chung mun rang ranga a jin kual thina hetianga jin kual renga ni awang hian a motora chuan motor da scam da in a jin kual na te chu thla la kual pa thina rum khat zana highway atlan lai hian he thil danglam tak mai hi a motor da scam chuan alo record fuwa screen veilam pang sira hian tungeni ti por hriat lo me chakor fol var ha hi alo dinga zan rei towa kong sira me chia lo om taringot chu amak hle maya chu maya le ni lo he thil makna ti zual em tu chu he me chia in kor fol var a ha kher hi ani ngei o me he motor da skemina alo record fu me chakor fol var ha hi mi hring pa ngai ani theyangem nge mi hring tena kan hriat thiam phak bak thil thla lampang thil zok ni yang le TikTok user pakhat win mek pixi thil mak le hlauhawm lo en thin te chuan kan hriat theu to te po arin oma he pa hian kum kha chung te meu mai chu thil mak le hlauhawm a chen nei na hian alo tong to thina a chen na lai te chu engma chang chuan an in onin an in off le rengot thina a in chung bungrua te chu an mani alo che in an da nam hun ni lawa te hian an lo le dei zela chu mai pi lama rum rang a hian thladum kan tiang chi te hi a mu fo mai boka heng thil thleng tam tak te hi a in chunga a camera kam te le a phone camera te chuan alo record thina
Excuse me. Are you back there again? This has become its favorite spot. Now, and there he is. Okay, that's enough water, please. Okay. Everyone can see you in their reflection, bud. Everyone can see you in their reflection. And it's gone. Okay, I know he's not in here, but I just want anyone who's watching to see. This is too small, but just like it's not. I just wanted you to see. The cabinets are knocking again. I'm leaving. Oh, that's enough for today.
Chu kalama hian thom hi hria in avakal lai tak hian atui khoina tep chu ama chuan arun in on rengot maya chuta room pakhat chunga hian kut rengot hi alo lang theya heti kalpheila hian fridge hian hlim thladum tak mai chelai hi alo lang le thei boka churuma chuan rang tak chum vakal phein kha thil om angkha mu tur eng thil ma alo om mi lovani mi hring ni tang se han bi ru na tur om ang hun chu a om mi boxi lawa mak takani kha thil ton kha mi hringani loti chu chianga chuti rualin ha dam takle Hlauhawm mel po pumi lawa khatian han om thei mai kha mak ve tak chu ni he chen nei na ama ti boy thin tu thla hi ngaya nei to ani theingem chuti rualin heng thla lampang thil chet na hi chu ngaya chuan anei thei tak takin arin om chi lawani mitam zok thil ton chu ni se mana mana khan he chen nei hi an chu san dei tong le Wasitan tra hian TikTok lama hian dora thil ton thil danglam tak mai hi arom pho chuaka rum khat chu anung lampang tang hian eng thilmani hian en tlat ni hian a hretlat maya dora no telam pakhat churun che in ama chu a thli thlai ni chuan a hretlat maya angai tha thailo chuan a phone chu phorin a phone camera chuan a thil rin hlet na lampang chu alo recordta
Watch. I'm gonna turn my camera away and you're gonna hear this stupid pony laugh.
a phone camera chuan a hmalampang chu thlan la a eng thil dang lamma a hmu tak lawa chuan le mai chu tuma heti la hian note nui thawm ni om tak hi arun oma a hnung lampang bok chu thla han la le in toys pakhat lo chelai chu awala fu ta ni a thil lak fu chu aril hnel deuh wang chuan chiang tak chuan an zoom non le a ma se chu ta po chuan a lo chenge si he dora hian thil mak tak chu thleng nge ani ti a chiang reng mai he thil lo lak fu hi tiktok lama chuan a pho chuaka he tiang thil mak tak mai hi he dora tong om chun a lo ni ho lo maya comment lama chuan an ton ve to thu midang ta po chuan an ro soi lang ve tlat mai he walmat bula hian thlan mol pal tlang nge ngai oma chumi wang chuan he thil ne hian in kung kai na an nei thengem le tiktoker Steven hian tiktok lama hian a tum khat nan thil dang lama ton hi aron pho chuak ve a tum khat chu chaukalama hian a thil eina vel chu a sil fai meka heti la hian an hung lampang atang chuan tuimoni hian arong khoi ni chun hria a an hung lampang an hoila chuan tu ma chu a hmulawa ngai thatak chuan a thil ti lai chu ati chun zom ve le maya a hnuwa in chunga an security camera video footage an chu a thil hmu chuan a bar khai chiang khop mai.
Dude, I'm a little wigged out right now. So I was washing dishes and just putting things away, and all of a sudden I feel something hit me in the back and I heard it bounce. Look at this shit. And this ball hits me in the back right shoulder out of nowhere. And what's even crazier is look where Avery's at. Now, mind you, I just got done washing the air fryer and was drying it off. Whatever it was had a little bit of force. And I'm gonna tell you right now, Lauren's been in bed for almost 2 days. Like, she gets up for a little bit, but she has not felt good at all. And Avery, let's just face it, if he's not watching his tablet, he's on the Oculus or he's outside. And I knew with it being like 12 o'clock, he's inside. So I have no idea. Now I have a lot of activity. It's not like malicious or anything, but that right there was the first time that's happened. So I don't know. What do y'all think about it?
Anunga hian bol ni om tak hian aron voma an hoi kola chuan ati tu om ang chu tu ma amulawa heti la hian afapa chu thutlenga amuwa anu puila chu damlavin khuma amu boxia thla te hian mi ti thei chau poni lavin mi fima mi han prengvel te po hi an lo war ve hle ani melani Ilieten jo ghost theory te hian rum khat chu in rang lua lum lova hun rei takan lo darwa to mun hi an tlo duna in chungan han lut chu in nei tu masa bungrua chi rang rang te chu alo la om treu maya thalak te le thil hlui chi rang rang te chu angai ngai chuan an lo la oma.
What an absolutely amazing place. Oh wow, look at all these photos too. So we've actually figured that this guy would have been a farmer. They actually had their own business.
Yeah.
It was his name, surname, which we won't say, and Sons.
Yeah.
So, but these are actually pictures of the house, look. I presume these are their old cars and tractors and things. That's amazing. Oh my word. Look at that. That's him, stood here.
Wow.
Just where I can hear the noise as well. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
It is the guy. The house has barely changed.
It hasn't, has it?
Isn't that just an amazing image? Do you know, the room we're about to go in, I think actually has the Polaroid camera that these were taken with.
Wow.
I think it's in there.
Oh
yeah. Right there, set up on the table.
Hei in hi kong pui bul maya omani awangin investigator pahnih te chuan motor re deuh hun chu ngakin living room a chuan an om duna heti lai hian thom dang lam tak mai chu an hre chho tana.
We've been waiting for the traffic to stop, which it doesn't seem to be. But we've been waiting about an hour now. And we're not really set up, but we've just heard some really strange noises.
The traffic is just really annoying. Go into night vision.
Yeah.
What even the hell makes a sound that loud? That isn't something living.
There's definitely not anybody here as well.
No, we know there's no one here. And no one can come in either. I mean, it was like... I don't like being out here on my own.
There was like a vibration. It was almost metal sounds, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, we've been hearing all sorts since we've been here. But then it just started to like ramp up.
An bul mai room a chuan thil ridop hi arun oma film khur tak chuan room chung chu lut kwalin he hmuna hian an hmu ve the si lo thla lampang thil chu a om nge ni chuan an hria a chumi wang chuan an hmu ve the si lo thla chu bia in I om tak tak ani chuan ron in hria ti ro chu an han ti ya.
are you able to make a noise to communicate with us?
Oh, the traffic is making this so hard. There was a knock in the corner.
Yeah. Can you copy me?
That was in the living room, was it not? Or in the kitchen? I'm actually going to shut this door because so much sound comes through there. Maybe not.
This room's creeping me out. Do you think that was in here?
Either that or the kitchen.
I honestly don't think anything has changed.
An hnung lampang a chuan thom chu aron om ta ngei maya ma se an vai an fia po chuan an thil ma thil dang lam chu an va mu chuang lem hlei lova chuta camera te le voice recorder te chu in chunga chun kam kualin honi om tak chuan in chuan chua sana heti chung hian eng thil tak chu thlengang mo uluk takin ilo en teang.
Sounds like what? I'm not fucking moving.
What do you mean not moving?
Look at the camera. Camera.
Oh,
It fucking fell.
is it okay?
It's still recording. Should we play it back?
Yeah.
Thil han kikri karkari ni om tak hirun omin an hnu rei vaklawa chuan hean kamera kam hi ama chuan alo tluwa an thil hmu chuan ilian len jo te po hi ambar khai ve hle maya an rin dan chuan hei in nei tu boral to thla chuan he che nei in hi ala lu azui zel ni chuan an ringa thil thalo zok a thlen pal mai hlavin an bungrua te chu pek felin he hmun hi an chua san ta ni heng an thil ton chi hrang hrang te awang hian he in hi ala ruak satli ringot lavani ti chu an chiang veu maya an thil ti tuma po hian an hlo tling thokat ni chuan an in hre bawk ani. Nikum lam to October sang ni sum ni pali khan fresh nula pakat Alex chuan thil dang lam tak mai hi a chen in thara chuan tongin chunga thil ton thar te chu a phone camera chuan lo la in tiktok lama hian arom pho chuak thina.
C'est quoi cette putain de blague?
À bientôt pour un nouveau concert.
Super. Ok, cool.
A chen nei thara chuan ama chawina cheng lawani ti chu a chiang chho tran veu maya a om rei tial tila thil thleng po chuan zual lampang chu a pan tial bok ni chuna hriata rum khat le po heng thil te hi a tong le a.
Il avait des petits magnets perdus de la carte de France, il connaît. Il est juste fan de cordon bleu, et ça lui sert énormément.
Putain.
L'un ou deux là. Il est pas à moi.
Allez, je suis mon premier favori. Et s'il y a un conseil que je peux te donner, c'est pas
possible.
Mais oui, et je sais.
room chunga thil ridop thom chu hria in a phone chu phorin thil chu lo recota heti thlala kulai hian chhur kong khar chu ama chuan a ron in honga chu thil chuan Alexi chu tlem chuan ati hlaw dewa in hnuai lampang en tuma akal le don lai tak chuan in hnuai lampang atang chuan ama pan zonga ron tlan chho thom hi a ron om ta phut maya a hlau le phun salatuk chuan a phone chu a thlau pha hialani hemi hnu hian engemaw chen chu eng thil ma thleng lovin a re ve wang maya chu ti rualin he thil hian re hlen chu alo latum o zong lo mai ilo en chun zomang zan rei to taka afapa le ama nge po khuma mut to hnu chuan in hnuai lamatang hian piano tum thom ni om tak hi hria in a thom hrit na lampang chu film khur tak chuan Alexi chuan pan thla a piano da na room a thleng trep tia chuan chu thom chu a re dai maya makti taka piano lampang a thlir la hian a bul hnaya cabinet kongkhar chur in hongin a chunga thil te chu an mani chuan an ron tlata rum maya chu mai ala ni lo a bul hnai dewa rocking chair chu thuan omani ti hriat tak hian ama chuan alo cheboka a Hlauhawm ve du khopang le hei chau hi ala ni lo tumdang le apo an chennai na chuan he thil hi a ron thleng le a zan khat po afapain TV a cartoon en lai chuan afapa room lamatang chuan thom hi hria in chumi lampang chu vapan phaya afapa room chunga toys te chu an mani chuan lo che in a big takin teddy bear chu a chela hi awa mu boka hen chen nei na hian mu thei si lo thla chu a cheng nge ani ti a chianga hetia no pang toys vel alum ve da na hian hen chen nei na thla hi puitling thla ni lovin no pang thla te po ani mai thei ani in lo thara hetiang ang thil hi tong ve ta angla eng tianga ringe I nga mangle